Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this easy and delicious avocado toast. For my ingredients today, I have my avocado, of course. I'm going to be using half of one. Some thinly sliced red onion, a few strips of bacon which I've already fried. I'm using pork bacon, however you can always substitute for turkey bacon or vegan bacon if that's your preference. And my bread, which I've already toasted. I'm using multigrain bread. Of course you can use any bread you prefer. I'm going to start out by smashing my avocado in a bowl. And you can always add some lime or lemon juice to your avocado if you don't want it to turn brown. This avocado came fresh from my tree, so I don't usually have that problem. So once your avocado has been mashed, I'm going to smear it on my toast. Then I'm going to add a few slices of my red onions. And then top that off with my bacon. So the bacon already has a lot of flavor, so I'm not going to add any salt or pepper to this. And that's it, guys, how I like to enjoy my avocado toast. Quick, simple, delicious, healthy snack or breakfast or whichever time you like to have your toast. Please like, share and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon so you will be notified when I upload every week. We are on the journey to the first 1,000 subscribers and I'd really appreciate the support. Special welcome to all my new subscribers. You can follow me on all my other socials as well, which are all linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.